Hey everyone, welcome back to an amazing another video from Helican Explanations. So today, as we all know that I told I'll release Password Manager 2.0, but there's a little surprise for you all. So now the present video is all about personal assistant. So personal assistant is not like PA that the person holds your schedules or manage your works. Not that personal assistant. The virtual personal assistant built in from your computer from Python. Just a few lines of code, just 5 to 6 paras. That's it. A beautiful working personal assistant that keeps your work up to date. Not work, but it executes all of your commands easily. So we guys, lazy guys, needs like personal assistant to speed up our work, like browsing things and searching weather reports and etc. etc. Even today, we are using personal assistants to turn on lights in our bedroom also. So the work of personal assistant is more and more, and so that we have to learn how to build it from our own learning programming language, very easy programming language, Python. Let me tell you two few words now. So my technique is like unique from others because I'm not going to use like complex tools and machines do like others do use. Like they use complex codes and import different modules that you don't know and I don't know, but my technique is not like that. I'm going to use every single package in front of you, and I'm going to show you every single step that I take in my code so that your code can be executed easily without any errors. So there is no complexity in this code and the code will be very easy. There are three things, a few things to understand before getting into the coding session. So first we have to understand how the Python understand our speech and recognize it and then execute it. So here we have three steps: understanding our speech, recognizing it and executing it, and giving the right execution that we want that Python should do. Okay. So these things we have to keep in mind, and then coding. First, let me show you some minimum infographics so that you can understand all about personal assistant, how it works in Python. So as I said that we have to take some important looks and some important concepts to learn before getting into the code. So first let me show you something so that you can understand and code easily. So the first thing is talking. So you have to talk, and the sound and your speech should be recognized by Python, and that should be going to a PC recognition, and your PC should give you an output of what you've asked it. Like if you ask the weather, or if you ask the virtual assistant name, or if you ask something else. So these are three important steps. Three or four important steps we have to first understand before coding. In between you have something else, friend. So even you have to code something and give it a functionality like brain. You have to give it a brain to function and what to search and what to give you as a output. Now let's get into the code, and before getting into the code I have to warn you to install some required packages. The packages names will be also in description, don't worry about that. But first let's get to coding. So now I'm going to make a huge announcement that will blow your minds. Right now we'll keep a name for our personal assistant, our own personal assistant from Helican Explanations. So that will be Helix. So the personal assistant name made by Helican Explanations, powered by Helifam, The name of the personal assistant will be Helix. And just a little bit of twist right now and a suspense right now. So I'm going to release the actual code when our YouTube channel reaches 1k subs. I know 1k is not that far to reach. We've already there at 130 or 140 like that. 1k is so near to us and we will reach soon, and I will release the code with as well as explanation always. So get ready and subscribe our channel if you did not subscribe. So, and also make your friends subscribe our channel so that you will get the code soon. And one more thing, I am just saying about the personal assistant again and again and again, but you don't know the importance. I mean, you don't know what the Helix, what it can do. It can do many things that you don't know. I mean, you know about the personal assistant more than me. You guys can have Alexa, Google Home, Google Assistant in your phone, Siri Assistant in your phone, but you don't know about Helix, right? So I will introduce you to Helix, and I will give the executions, the commands it will execute on my words. I'll show the video, but not with the code, okay? Don't expect me to show the video with the code. But I'm so sorry, guys. The video will be released when the channel reaches 1k subs. I hope that will come soon, okay? But mind that this next clip will be having some executions made by Helix. So here I am at PyCharm editor. I know most of the people will say to use VS Code, but VS Code couldn't download some extension that I need for this project. So apart of all this, let's start our project. The project name was Helix, as I said in the previous video. The naming ceremony was done successfully. But now, let's think one thing. What will you do in the morning? Say good morning and start your day. And what will you do in night? Say good night and get to sleep. Before that, switching off your PC, right? So the Helix will perform everything that you do from morning to the night. Let me say you another thing, that perform is not like dropping you to the office, making you lunch, and feeding you, not all those. Like the things, the activities you do. Some people, okay, let's start the virtual assistant and I'll say the commands. I hope these commands will match with your daily life routines. Okay, let's start. Good morning, Helix.
Good morning, sir. Have a good day ahead.
Hi.
Hi there. What can I help?
May I know your name, please?
I am Helix at your service.
What is the weather, Helix?
May I know the city?
Hyderabad.
Currently in Hyderabad, temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, humidity is 77%, and sky is haze.
What are you, Helix?
I am a virtual assistant programmed to assist whoever wants my help. Currently at your service.
Play Ala Vaikuntapuramlo songs.
Playing Ala Vaikuntapuram.
Picking up
This is not Ala Vaikuntapuramlo songs. Just give me a second. This is not. I'll skip it. Yeah, the song has been played successfully, right? Let's listen that for 2-3 seconds so that you and I will get a confirmation. Yeah, I'll just stop it right there because the video will become laggy again. Okay? Let's run that again. Thank you for that, Alex.
No problem, sir. It's my duty.
Can you tell me a joke because I'm bored right now?
Ask a stupid question. Get a stupid answer.
That was right. Search for Python.
Monty Python, also collectively known as the Pythons, were a British surreal comedy troupe who created the sketch comedy television show Monty Python's Flying Circus, which first aired on the BBC.
Yeah, I just said search for Python. So it just searches for Python, like for Python in Wikipedia. So that wasn't the actual command. Let's try that again. Search Python.
Python is an interpreted, high-level, and general-purpose programming language.
Yeah, that was correct. What can you do?
Let me make this clear for you. I am a virtual assistant built to assist your daily needs more easily. Again, my name is Helix, at your service.
What is the time now, Alex?
Current time is 10:03 p.m.
Good night, Alex. Good night.
Good night, sir. Hope you had a great day.
Switch off.
Switching off.
That doesn't switch off the Helix or my PC. So that was just a command and an answer from my virtual assistant. So the code will be given from GitHub and my explanation will be given to that when our channel reaches 1k subs. I'm saying this again and again. Please subscribe our channel if you did not subscribe till now. And also, if you encourage our stuff and encourage us, join Discord server and support us for more interesting projects and stuff. Until then, signing off. One second, please wait for a second. The clip I've shown you before have a sound triggering, like the voice of the virtual assistant and as well as the YouTube song triggered 2 times in a same period of time. So I don't know what was happening at that time because I couldn't use the recorder that was provided by PPT that was not responding. So I used another studio and I've recorded that. So that's why the voice was triggered and I don't know the reason. Even I wasn't recording the desktop and the mic audio at the same time. I've removed the desktop audio, but I don't know what happened, but that's okay. The video is got completed, and again I'm saying the actual code will be released when our channel will reach 1k subs. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you want to know the latest notifications and all that, you can join our Discord server for latest interesting stuff and projects. Signing off.